Oh yeah, Michael made a studio. He made a studio for himself in the house, and he had a sign outside, Michael Russell Studio. Somebody, he got the word studio from somebody, and he used to sell the books from that little room, yeah. Yeah, and Gussie being in the house. Gussie didn't want strangers coming in. Yeah, Gussie, Michael was like a magnet to people, and Gussie was the opposite. He just wanted to be left alone. I remember Gussie, he used to get very, very excited. It was a bit like kids now, looking forward to Christmas. Gussie would be looking forward to Christmas because the Heinzes would be coming. And every night you'd be down there, you'd say to how are things? He'd say to you, the Heinzes are coming. I come back from London, and they'd be battling away. Michael and himself loved each other, and Michael still loves him, and there was no stopping him that time. But then when they were gone, for some reason he didn't fit in his own head with the rest of the music. A lot of lads would start playing that time too, in sessions and gigs, and he wasn't really very much included. And Michael wasn't that much included because Michael liked this big breaks in between the tunes. He didn't want to be in a session where it was non-stop music. He wanted the dynamic of the country kitchen, where there'd be a bit of chat and all that sort of thing. So he was left out a bit too. He said to me one night down there, I said, "How are you doing, Michael?" I said, "I don't know." He said, they won't let the fox see the rabbit anymore. That's the way he described it. He was feeling left out. But then the pubs wanted the music, and they wanted to attract people because of the business, so they couldn't be a patron all the time. But there were patrons, especially Connors was patrons for Michael and Packie and Gussie, and very supportive of them. It was a two-way, some of us was a two-way street, really. It was their music, made the pub very attractive. It was a two-way street. I felt honoured that I met those people, and in a way they changed my life, because I made a decision based on my relationship with Doolin and the music to move to Fanor. I had a choice of either moving. I had a choice. I was looking for a place to start working on making uilleann pipes, and I got a choice between Strokestown from the IDA, a free factory and a house, or Roundstone in Connemara, a free factory and a house. Or I knew there was at the old schoolhouse in Fanor, and I was told on the quiet that if I approached the priest with a certain person, there's a chance I might be able to get it. So I went for that because of the proximity to Doolin. So in a way I was very conscious of wanting to ally myself to the people. I still love it when I'm in Kinvara now, not that far away, but when I go listen to Barna, I go up the high road and see Doolin, I still get a little bit of a lift in my spirit. It's not the same as it was, but I went in there last week, and my friend Breach was with me, and we went in just to have a 5-minute chat with Buddy Flanagan, and we didn't leave for 3.5 hours. And in the end, I nearly had to beat him off me. He followed me out the door, because with more stories to tell, it was very, very entertaining. And at one spot we were playing a few tunes, and the dog started singing, and that should have great crack altogether. So that wouldn't happen in many places. But Buddy's carried on the tradition.